Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I have a very exciting news for all of you that Technology Innovation Institute has introduced a very powerful open source LLM model which is called Falcon 180B. So this model is going to revolutionize the market of large language models. Currently, this is being ranked as a number one on Hugging Face leaderboard, and it has been trained on the 180 billion parameters, and it has 3.5 trillion tokens, and it has four times more computational resources as compared to recently launched Llama 2 by Meta. So in this state, these all of these main features are making Falcon 180B ranked number one on the Hugging Face leaderboard. Okay, fine. So currently Falcon 180B is open source for researchers and commercial use. So let's dive deeper that how it came and what features are in it. In this video, I will compare it with the Llama 2 and previous models, and also we will discuss its performance and what are the hardware requirements for this. So these three are the main agenda points of this video. The fine tuning and how to download it or its live demo, I will be covering it in the next video. So the Technology Innovation Institute TII in the United Arab Emirates is pushing the boundaries of generative AI once again with the launch of Falcon 180. So you can see its interface here. So recently they have today basically this got released. So this groundbreaking release strengthens the uh, Technology Innovation Institute dominance in the artificial intelligence, as they have recently launched 180B, so which is the greatest model. So basically, if we talk about the performance of Falcon models, so the Falcon family is composed of two base models. The first one was Falcon 40B, and the second one was Falcon 7B. And the 40B model, parameter model, currently tops the chart of leaderboards in the domain of LLMs. But the 7B model by the Falcon is the best in its weight class. If we talk about the usage of memory, Falcon 40B requires almost 90 GB of GPU memory, which is a very huge number of GPU memory, but it is still less than Llama family. Llama family is using a lot of GPU memory. So if I certainly compare Falcon 180 with Llama 2 and Falcon 40B, so Falcon 180B outperforms Llama 2 model, which was recently launched, and it created a huge hype. After testing Llama 2 model, I have came to a conclusion that I'm not a big fan of Llama 2. Chat GPT 3.5 is far more better than Llama 2 as compared to the prompt response generation, but everyone has its own opinion. So the Falcon 180B is recently in current domain. It is outperforming the Llama model. This is an open source. Falcon 40B was open source but not open access. But the Falcon 180B is open access uh, as Llama 2. And if you want to have a demo of Falcon 180B, so you can simply go to this link. I will leave it this link in the description. So in this you can enjoy this. They have made a simple demo, and you can ask it everything. I will make a separate video on the comparison of Falcon 180B and Llama 2 model and the GPT 3.5. So most probably my next video will be on this one. So if we talk about the hardware requirements of Falcon 180, so for full fine tuning it requires 5120 GB of memory. Okay, so for there are multiple different times for GPTQ. It requires 320 GB, and rest is in front of you. I will make another video on this. From through you can simply remotely access Falcon 180 and its fine tuning. I will try to make videos on those as well. So by concluding this video, we can estimate that in current scenario, if we talk about the September, this month is going to be a month of huge discussion on Falcon 180B model. So because it is open access, it is available for researchers, it is available for commercial use, it has more tokens in it, it has more training parameters, it utilizes more GPU memory, and its system requirements are huge. But till date there are few famous LLMs such as ChatGPT. Various variants had poor performance, few had better, but the currently ChatGPT 3.5 is better than ChatGPT 4. Llama 2 and Google Bard and Falcon 180B. So while comparing these four models which are being used commercially, Falcon 180B is a great success and huge success. Hopefully you would have liked my video. If you need more content like this or you have any kind of suggestions, please let me know in the comments.